Can the KY-033 tracking sensor detect obstacles and display? Today in day 23 of our sensors challenge, we're using the KY-033 tracking sensor with Arduino UNO. We need an Arduino UNO, a KY-033 tracking sensor, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now let's look at the connections. Connect the VCC pin of the KY-033 module to 5 volts, GND to ground, and the out pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously read the sensor output and determine whether an obstacle is present. In the code, the sensor is connected to digital pin 2 and configured as an input. Compile the sketch, and upload the code. Now let's test it. Place an object in front of the sensor, and the serial monitor immediately displays obstacle detected. Remove the object, and the message changes to clear. This simple project demonstrates the basic principle behind line-following robots, obstacle detection systems, and autonomous navigation projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech. Stay connected for day 24 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.